Okay, so now we are going to have review on the disorders of medicine, short review, short videos on the review of the medicine. So the disease which we will discuss is pleural effusion. Pleural effusion, clinical features of the pleural effusion is dry cough, dyspnea, pleuritic chest pain, decreased chest movement and expansion. Investigation: what investigation will be performed for pleural effusion? We will perform chest x-ray, ultrasound, pleural biopsy, pleural aspiration. How we will manage the patient of pleural effusion? We will ask the patient to rest, bed rest, treat the underlying cause, and therapeutic aspiration should be there to treat pleural effusion. What should be differential diagnosis for pleural effusion? There should be tuberculosis, pneumonia, malignancy, and congestive cardiac failure should be there. And the other complication of the respiratory system or other disease of the respiratory system is pneumothorax. Pneumo means air, thorax means thoracic cavity, and accumulation of air in thoracic cavity is known as pneumothorax. So suppose these are your lungs and these are covered by pleura. When air is accumulated in thoracic cavity and lungs are collapsed, that condition is known as pneumothorax. Clinical feature of the pneumothorax: chest pain, dyspnea, shifting of mediastinum and trachea. If this lung is affected, trachea will be shifted to the opposite side, means trachea will be shifted here, so in the opposite side. X-ray finding will be jet black lung, jet black shadow, loss of cardiophrenic and costophonic angle, loss of vessel shadow, flattening of the diaphragm will be there. Investigation we will perform chest x-ray, CT scan and ultrasound. Now how we will treat the patient of pneumothorax? We will treat the patient, we will give the treatment accordingly. If small pneumothorax is present, then no treatment is required. If medium sized pneumothorax is present, then percutaneous needle is aspirated and the treatment is done. If chronic disease is there, intercostal drainage, so we will treat the patient accordingly. And the another disease is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or we can say COPD. It is disease which is which causes obstruction of the airway. Clinical feature of the COPD are cough with sputum, bell-shaped chest, crepitation will be positive, dyspnea, hyperresonant and accessory muscle usage will be there. So patient will have pink puffers in COPD. Investigation will be chest x-ray, lung function test, forced expiratory volume by vital capacity ratio, reversible test and ABG. And sputum examination should be there in order to diagnose which organism is going to cause. Culture and sensitivity is performed. Alpha 1 antitrypsin is also seen because in emphysema, which is type of COPD, alpha 1 antitrypsin deficiency causes emphysema. How we will manage the patient of the COPD? We will ask the patient to stop smoking. We will ask the patient to have supplemental oxygen, and bronchodilators should be given like Ventolin and ipratropium, and oral corticosteroids should be given to the patient, and antibiotics are suggested like augmentin and cefuroximine. And differential diagnosis will be bronchial asthma, bronchiectasis and cystic fibrosis. And the another disease of the pulmonology is asthma. Asthma is hyperresponsiveness of the lung, chest tightness and allergen mediated difficulty and shortness of the breath. Clinical features are chest tightness, episodic dyspnea, dry cough and wheezing will be present in the patient. Investigation for asthma: chest x-ray, peak respiratory flow rate and ABGs are the investigation of choice. Management: how will you manage the patient? We will treat the patient chest infection, stop smoking, corticosteroid will be given and bronchodilators are also given. Aminotriptyline are also given to the patient. How will we will diagnose? Differential diagnosis will be COPD or vocal cord prolapse or foreign body. can be there. And another disease of the respiratory system is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is disease which is caused by bacteria known as Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and it causes a cough with sputum, with productive cough and sputum, with weight loss, anorexia and fever, and patient will have edema on the feet. Clinical features are asymptomatic mild fever to the patient, fever to the patient, and night sweating will be there. Weight loss will be there. Cough and sputum and crepitation will be complained. Investigation will be chest X-ray, sputum, AFP. Acid fast bacilli will be positive in tuberculosis patient. Tuberculin test is performed. Montauk's test, adenosine level, PCR for diagnosis, and needle biopsy can also be there. How management is performed? There is a regime which should be given to the patient, and that regime includes isoniazid, rifampicin, pyrazinamide, and ethambutol. Isoniazid, rifampicin, pyrazinamide, ethambutol should be given to the patient, and different dosage is given according to the phases of the disease. In initial phase we give different doses, in continuous phase we will give different doses, and second line drugs are ofloxacin, streptomycin, and kanamycin will be there. So that was tuberculosis. And the another disease is pneumonia. Pneumonia is infection of the lung parenchyma, in which patient will have cough, shortness of the breath, and fever. Clinical features are fever, headache, vomiting, pain in the body and limbs, and pulmonary symptoms will be dyspnea, first day cough, then it becomes productive, and pleural pain will be complained by the patient. Investigations will be gram stain, sputum culture and sensitivity, and chest X-ray should also be performed. Blood CP, ESR, blood culture, and pneumococcal antigen test should be performed in the patient of pneumonia. Differential diagnosis will be tuberculosis, congestive cardiac failure, lung cancer, upper respiratory tract infections. Management, how we will manage the patient of pneumonia: we will give antibiotics, augmentin, ceftriaxone, atypical fluoroquinolones. Community acquired pneumonia should be treated with clarithromycin. Hospital acquired pneumonia treated with the tetracycline, and cough suppression, oxygen saturation should be maintained. So that was the discussion of the diseases of pulmonary medicine, and we discussed pneumonia, we discussed tuberculosis, asthma, COPD, and pleural effusion. So that was the discussion. In the next video we will discuss the diseases of liver